And hi everyone, what's up, Nitoshi? How's it going? Hoff. Wait, let me screen share. This is Horse Girl, guys. Like, she is committed. Honestly, I don't know. I do want to see her live at some point. There's not that many artists right now that are like able to capture attention like this, and yeah, it's just pretty dope. I don't even know how I found her, but I think it was like a TikTok. It was on TikTok. It was on TikTok. I found her on TikTok. It's the best way. Honestly, TikTok's the best way to discover music. And you always find these like super niche, super niche artists. I think she went on stage with Pink Panthers as well at Coachella. So getting in the spotlight. So yeah. Big love for Horse Girl. But anyway, what's up, chat? How's everyone? Franklin is here too. Oh my God. What's up? Hi, Fernanda. Hi, everyone. All the babes are in. We have Nat as well. And B is back for a Vibecoding episode today. So last week, Ceci and I went over some basics. Just for context, Sissy runs a dope web design agency, and the girls at Lit Collective made the Babes website, and we're like super grateful for that. And we've been like just discussing about, vibe coding, and especially when it comes to like web design, what are really, the limitations, like how far can you push it? And last week we went over some basics. We had a really cool presentation on like how to get started. So yeah, if you're getting started and you want to get some ideas, or at least have a framework on what exactly, you need to do in terms of like steps, go check out our previous live stream. We went over some basics. Ceci made a really cool presentation for you all. And today, we couldn't just stop at that. Like, we had to obviously put it in practice. And today we're going to be showing you a little demo on Lovable. I'm like super, super excited. And shout out to all the babes that are here. If you girls are enjoying this, we might even do like a little workshop at some point. Let's see. For now, we're having fun on stream, but feel free to ask questions. If you've attempted to, also vibe code your website, or, need some ideas, or are stuck, or had some issues, feel free to ask. Like, we can troubleshoot in real life, and we'll help you. But I'll leave it up to Sissy, who is now in London. How's it going? How's the move been?
It was good. Last week I gave like how can I say, more holiday for me to just fix all the things that I need for some house, like to buy like tea towers, all the things for kitchen. It was like difficult to find these things in a city that you don't know.
I've
But
got tips for you if you need. I used to live in London. Yes, feel free to DM. London can be like super overwhelming, but summer is the best time. It's
yeah,
really the
that's
best
true.
time.
But also, I think it's like I started my classes. I'm doing like English classes in the morning, so it is super fun. Like, I don't remember the last time that I took like a transportation to go to school. It was like 10 years ago, so it was quite fun, like to go to the school, see your colleagues there, like talk to the professor. Like, I have been doing a lot of virtual stuff, so I miss this so much.
We're
But
gonna
about
be talking with a British accent by the end of the summer.
let's
Are you
do it.
ready?
Yes,
A
but
little bit vibe
yeah,
coding. I can't do it
yeah.
anymore. I need to be around like Brits to bring it up. It's not working.
I want to hear that one.
Yeah, we have Joao in the chat as well. What's up, Joao? And Ramshim from LinkedIn. Also, we are live on LinkedIn, people. So, yeah, anyone that's in here is, very, very cool. Our first comment ever on LinkedIn. This is like incredible. But I can't wait to see you, because I might come to London in the summer. I'm flying next week to Europe, and I'll be roaming around. So London is on my map, and we will meet in person. Yeah. Before we get started, has anyone attempted vibe coding their website? Like, do you have a landing page? Like, has anyone tried, yeah, I'm just curious to know as we get started. Like, I want to know what level of expertise everyone is, and if someone has already started. I know B is in the middle of it. We spoke about it last time. I wonder, like, if did you make some progress? I hope maybe like our stream was helpful. But yeah, everybody else, like, if you have any level of experience, feel free to share and comment along, because we have obviously a whole stream ready to demo live. Nada's saying yes for some Web3 hackathons. Ooh, nice. Which hackathons did you participate in? There's quite a few. B is saying I've tried on Claude and the new Google one, Stitch. Nice. Have you used Stitch, Cecilia?
Yeah, I tried it. It's quite similar,
It's okay.
but I thought it
You
was
don't seem too
difficult.
excited.
Yeah, but I thought it was difficult, like to use the stitch. Not difficult, but what was too lazy, like to do like the changes. And I just try once to do like the viral test, like between like ChatGPT, Cloud, and Switch, but I didn't like it so much, to be honest.
Yeah, it's that's the thing. Like, we at the end of the day, like, you want to make sure that things are like easy,
Yeah.
because we need comfort. We need comfort. Let me just give me one sec. I need to put my volume up a little bit. Okay, I think Max is telling me the volume is not up anymore. Max, is it better? I always get live feedback. Oh wait, your volume. Give me one sec, because apparently your volume is like not. Audio settings. I'm not sure. Can you guys hear Sissy all right?
Hello.
Let's see. Just give me one sec. This is like live troubleshooting. Okay, so I mean, not really seeing it. I mean, Max, you should just come and like save me here, because I have no idea. I don't know why it's not working. But anyways, we're gonna today, so we decided, okay, B can hear her. Okay, nice. My savior. How does this, which one? Is it better? Okay, I think it should be better now. Okay. All right, it's perfect. I don't know. Like, that's one thing about live streaming. It's really fun, but it is so technical. There's so many different buttons. And for some reason, the settings like always just decide to do whatever they want at every stream. So there's like no way to save settings. Fernanda's saying all go from here. Okay, perfect. Nada's saying Vercel. Okay, cool. And yeah, Claude is really bad at graphics. Like, so bad. Like, actually really horrific. I usually use Gemini for images. It's good, but you need to know how to prompt, and you need to make sure you get that prompt right in the first two prompts, because otherwise it'll just like forget, and you're gonna have to start over. It's really hard to maintain once you have a good image. If you want to get some like slight alteration to it, like for example, you have like, I don't know, let's say a matcha, and you want to change, the straw to pink, and you have it perfectly. It's really hard to maintain it as it is and just change that if you're a few prompts in. That's just been my experience. But other than that, Gemini is definitely, it's really good. Pino is saying GPT-2 for images. I haven't used GPT in a while. Fernanda, really liking the new version of GPT for images. Oh, okay. Okay, so two of you are using GPT. Maybe I should go back to it. I just stopped using ChatGPT like altogether last year and just moved on to Claude, but I don't know. Let's see. I wouldn't mind trying again. For video content, for AI video, by the way, Grok also has some like really good just features. Honestly, it's really good. But you do need to have a premium subscription for it. Oh yeah. People seem to be really, saying ChatGPT 2 is insane now. Okay, I'm missing out. Like what makes it better than Gemini?
It's a good question.
Like have you compared both? Like what makes it better? And since
Like
5.5 also codex is insane. You've been doing Pudgy, I have it on ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, tell me, I'm curious to hear your comparison. Like, why do you think it's better than Claude? And if anybody is using other ones, because these things like they move so fast, right? So they always release new versions. And if you're just like not paying attention, like you never know, you could be just continuing using one model. And then the other one it's such a war and it's such a competition, and you have to like really make sure you capture everything in. Hey user, nice to see you. What's the discussion on going on? So we're talking about different LLMs. So I'm here with Ceci. Ceci runs a website development agency. And last stream, we went over the basics on how to get started to actually vibe code your website. So the thing is, like, obviously, you can vibe code, you can create a lot of things with LLMs just by yourself, but there's a limitation on what you can do. So, for example, if you want to have like a web shop, it's better to go with like a proper developer that's going to code things, especially when it gets a little bit too complex. You might really need to have like someone that can actually code and really build the backend like properly, rather than just like doing it with Claude. Or if you obviously need to make sure you have a secure website and so on, like there's obviously different limitation. But if it's just to have like a landing page, vibe coding obviously is the way. And Ceci is going to show us, and we're going to do a demo on Lovable. So yeah, and then we were obviously discussing, because you do need to bring assets in your website, and especially when it comes to like image generations. I was using Gemini, but apparently GPT 5.5 GPT-2 is crazy right now for image generation. So, and I haven't tried it yet, but people are saying that it's really good. It's actually better than like others. So yeah, so we're gonna dive into that. So in terms of like, before going live, Ceci and I were discussing which website, like what should we code? Because obviously that's one thing when you want to vibe code, like you have infinite possibilities. You can literally create anything that you want, and that's maybe the difficulty when it comes to vibe coding. Like if you don't know what you're doing and you don't really have a plan on like, or you don't have an idea on like what you want to create, you're most likely going to end up creating slop. And so because like you have to have an idea like what you're doing and what you're doing it. So we decided to look at crypto websites and rate them and find the ugliest one that we could find, because obviously crypto, there's some cool projects, but like it is notoriously known for just having really bad taste. So we're gonna look at some websites and like remake it in our style and taste, because we think we can do better. So yeah. Fernanda, by the way, Fernanda is saying GPT has been getting it right more. Okay, GPT has been getting it right more often with less prompting and fewer adjustments lately. The last few times I used it, the results were much more accurate on the first try. Meanwhile, with Gemini, after the first response, it starts hallucinating a lot. Yeah, yeah. It does start hallucinating. That's so true. And that's, I think, the tricky part. Good to know that GPT gets it. Okay, that will solve, because I do use it a lot. But that's the thing, like it starts creating like random shit, and then you're just stuck and you're wasting your time, because it's kind of slow as well. Like it's not the fastest one for image generating, which obviously takes time, but yeah. Be saying, who has the worst website? Yeah, if you guys have your what is it, like your worst favorite, feel free to give me some tips, because we're gonna look at them. If you have your favorite worst website, like who has the ugliest crypto? Yeah. So did you have an idea? Should we screen share a bit?
For me,
Yeah, like which one has the worst in your opinion?
I think in terms of potential and quality, I don't like so much Ethereum organization
Okay.
website.
Ooh, okay, let's look at the big foundations. Let's look at the big foundations. I think this is gonna be cool.
Because I don't know what happened with Ethereum. Like when you go to Ethereum.org, it is just one image. Like the content appears after, so it's not animated. Like the first 4 seconds, you don't know what does it mean, like the website, like Ethereum.
It's the
So you
internet
need
that
to.
belongs to you, babe. I don't know. Yeah, I personally don't like the colors. This like pastel faded. It's not really my vibe. This scramble thing, I feel like the scramble, it's cool. Like, yeah, it's not very innovative. Like it's been hot for a minute. It's cool. The internet of it. This purple though, yeah, I don't know. Oh, Sissy, apparently you have a bit of an echo. Let's see.
Okay, let me read this. It's better now.
I hear you fine, but maybe let's see. I mean, I hear you fine. Do you guys hear her bad?
Is it good?
Let's see. Do you hear? Do you people chat? Can you let me know? Oh, there is some echo. Okay, still.
I can. Let me get my headphones. Just 1 second.
Yeah, maybe that will solve it because I have a mic here, but sometimes it still goes. Yeah, you guys can hear it.
Let me do that.
Okay, cool. Oh wait, B is saying, "Oh wait." Thanks for helping us troubleshoot. It's so hard on the on the other side. This you can't really tell. Let me know once. Oh, B is saying it's fixed. Can we get more confirmations? Is it fixed? Max is saying it's still echoing. Let's see.
It's better now. Hello.
I hear you fine. With headphone. I don't think it's picking up. By the way, I don't think it's picking up your headphone. You need to change the source. So if you go in your settings, and then you basically change your source.
It's better now.
Let's see.
Hello.
I mean, I can hear you fine, but let's see.
Hello, guys.
Can you guys check? It's not going. It ain't going. User.
Good.
No, apparently
Hello?
it's not going off. Let's see. I'm just gonna try to change like a couple of things here. Let's see. Try now. I did put that up.
Hello.
Is it better?
Hello.
Try. Can you? Okay, testing. Can you guys? Is it better?
Hello, guys. It's better. Be Fernanda.
User, do you hear? Because like you're on Twitch. Say a sentence.
Hello. Hello, guys.
Twitch has no lag, so it's easier to like to figure it out. I don't know. That's a word. Try to read. It's gone. Echo is good. Okay, let's go. Beautiful.
Woo.
Woohoo.
Awesome.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks for your help. This is really okay. Perfect. Okay, so we are back at looking. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, even on Twitch. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate it. We never know what's happening. So, okay, this is the Ethereum's website. I'm not a fan, indeed. I'm not a fan. Not great. It's just this purple. It's the purple. It's very like old school. Yeah, I don't know. Ooh, yeah, not. And it's like the same image here as there. Not very great. I don't know. Not. I'm not like a fan. They would need to do a bit of. Then I opened up here. Let's move on to like Solana Foundation. Way cooler. Not.
Yes.
Yeah. B is saying I've never looked at the ETH website and it's awful.
Yes. Yeah, people they don't realize.
Yeah, it's not super pretty. We can do better.
Yeah, I think because like they are using only Inter as font family. Come on, guys. Like,
One
you
font.
know,
Inter is very basic. I feel like Inter is also like the font that just comes up in like when you're vibe coding.
yeah.
Okay, Solana Foundation, a bit better, a bit edgier, cool, simple.
Yeah.
I like that
You can see like
there's yeah.
I like there is like people there as well. When you go to how we build this, I miss this Frontier Foundation. Like you can see like real people. It's so nice.
Wait, here you mean?
In Solana, if you
Mm,
scroll down and we can see like the cases, how we build this, there are some people there like sharing the Solana histories
where?
from,
Learn more about Solana.
yeah, in the homepage, Solana, you go down.
Ah, yeah, it is definitely it's cooler.
It's cool.
Some cool animation. These are the brand colors. What's happening? I mean, yeah, it's nicer. I feel like we're not gonna touch this one.
Yeah,
Another one, uh Avex Foundation apparently.
yeah, the Avex Foundation, they did a good job redesigning
Okay, let's
the
see.
website.
Ooh. Oh, this is
It's so
cool.
cool.
Scroll to explore the page. Nice.
Yeah, I enjoy a lot this.
This is very nice. It's very clean. I prefer it even than the Solana one, to be honest.
Yeah, me too. Like I prefer like the white
Oh,
mode.
I actually like the scroll at the end. It's nice. Little arrows. Nice. Yeah, it's very clean. There's this animation. It's very nice. The scroll is also like there's not too much scroll, right? If you look at like the E thing,
Yeah,
there's like so much scrolling. They call this scrolling for nothing, like I don't know. Nice. Very cool. What did they have? Like community. Very cool. Bitcoin, there's no Bitcoin website. What else can we look at? I thought Mega ETH had a pretty cool website too. If only their token was doing the same, but this is it's nice. It's like creative. It's very creative. This thing it's good that it doesn't it does follow. Oh, okay. How hard is it to make an animation like this?
each one.
Like this like the mouse tracker.
It is not so hard. Like depends a lot in terms of the hardest part is to guarantee that all the media that was created they are optimized because this get a little delay with the website. So if you're not like getting all the images and improve them to get like more fast, like for the
Mm.
internet to read, that will be like struggling. But to build that, it is not difficult. But to build all the animations and guarantee the performance and improve the quality of everybody together, it is hard.
Okay, I feel like this is like literally what happened to people that invested in their token. Like, okay, but yeah, I feel like okay. Let's look at like Polygon. Is there a foundation? Let's
If I
see.
think it is the Polygon
Lab.
dot technology is a good one.
Yeah, let's see how this one is, and then we can like start jumping in. Is this animated? It's gonna be animated? No. Hmm. Okay. Book a call. Book a call with Polygon. Build on Polygon. I feel
Yeah,
like okay. It's kind of a weird not like no scroll is a bit strange these days, to be honest. Like we're so used to scrolling. So
yeah.
I don't know. That's and this kind of annoys me that it's like so there for some reason. I don't know about you,
And
but
I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know if you scroll, you
can't
will
scroll.
see the animations for the social proof. It is super well made, like how they go like down the header to show the data.
It's not
But
scrolling.
nobody is stopped to read the data because it is too fast, like the horizontal scroll. So
What is
unfortunately,
happening with this? Why is it so heavy? It's still loading. What is on? Like Why is it so? It's still loading. Okay, well, Polygon, I'm sorry, but I can't even load your website. Look at this. It's still loading here. Okay. Um okay, well, I
It's weird.
think anyway, like if this animates has potential, I would imagine these things like coming through. I will check on my phone or something. Um yeah, what else? Let's see. Maybe like hyper liquid. No, that's like no, there's no
Yeah, but
website.
when Hyperliquid they launched the website, I think it was 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I guess. 2 years ago.
Mm. Yeah, it's
But
not
so
very.
much,
This one's not optimized. Like it's still loading, guys. Like I can't do anything with this. Like I'm sorry,
yeah.
you've lost me. I will not book a call. Okay, well, I think honestly, like Ethereum is the most obvious one. Let's start. I think we should start with this. Okay, the vibe coding starts now, so we're gonna be redoing this in our own style. So,
Ooh.
how do we get started?
So I think the first thing that we should do in terms of like website, it is like what we don't like about this website, like to that we want to improve, and what we enjoy, and in terms about the sections, like the content. So one thing that I always do with the website, I do like a screenshot, like the go full page, and you can do this as well for reference. Like if you would like to use some kind of website as a reference, you also can copy and paste the address for Cloud or ChatGPT. They will read about it. But for me, it's super useful. Just come here and drop in Figma, or you can drop. You also can just open and read the website and see with more. Like for me, it's easy to see like that. And I think our first goal here is to decide about the structure. So
Hmm.
I will ask you about you, Cams. Like, do you think that is good or is too long or you should be like short?
I think
What do you
it's too
think? Like,
long. I think it's too long, and there's like a lot of like not interesting information. It's too long, and then yeah, I don't know. This like scroll bar here, not a fan, or it's not very defined. I would shorten it a little bit.
yeah, yeah, me too. Like I agree what Cam say. Like we have like here like this social proof that can be here together at the header. This kind of thing like use the internet without being watched. Like this is a kind of everybody knows about this about Ethereum. Like if you people, I think like the people that know Ethereum, they already know about this, the privacy. But people that wants to know more about Ethereum, they can just go and read more about to learn. So I think we can skip like these two contents here.
They have
I
like
think they
a
try. Excuse me.
they have like you can't really see it here, but they have like a is this page helpful box. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. So we need to look at the structure, which parts we like.
Yeah.
I think. Well, here, for example, I would have like a different intro, like the colors. Maybe we need to start with like a new color palette.
Yeah, I think this would be nice as well. And yeah, just in terms of a structure, like we will give like just contest for Cloud and ask Cloud to improve what we thought. Like, hey, we think this website is too long. We would like to be shorter. We can also like send the Avalanche website as example of size and how they are like combined. I will just do a screenshot
Yeah,
as well
I think that
to
will be
share
good.
with.
I can share yours. Let me
with.
know when I can share. Should I share your screen?
Yeah, you can share my screen. I
There you
thought it
go.
was this share
I don't know. Go
screen.
for it.
Okay.
Zambur, you
Mhm.
love the penguin. Yeah, the penguin. That's a it's my pudgy. It's so big. It's like literally ginormous.
Yeah.
It's the biggest plushie I've ever had. Big
And
Shine, what's GitLab?
excuse me for
Big Shine is saying that we should try to run it on GitLab. I'm not sure what GitLab is.
I don't know what is GitLab as well.
What's GitLab? We need some context.
GitHub website maybe?
No, GitLab. What's GitLab? Hmm. So what are you doing here? We're creating a new
So
structure for each website. Okay. Using AUX reference. So you took a screenshot of
yeah,
of which website?
I took a screenshot of the Ethereum Foundation
Mm-hmm.
website using extension like Go Full Page, and after I took a screenshot from Avalanche, the website, the AVAX network, and I am like writing for Cloud, like, hey, create a new structure for Ethereum website, say smaller, and using AVAX reference size and use journey as a reference.
Okay. I'm also
Of
adjusting
course,
here the screen so we can see better. The screen share, I think it should be good. Perfect.
so can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Oh, but it's just showing like I think the Ethereum website.
No, I could see Claude. You're good.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
if I put something wrong with English, sorry guys.
No,
I
good, good.
don't.
Okay,
I
so you're
normally don't take like time to get everything polite. No, I just type.
no worries.
Sometimes I type like Portuguese and English, and she
Okay, so
knows.
you're basically telling, so we're starting with Claude. So
Yeah,
you're telling him he's gonna have to play the senior UI UX designer
yeah.
to you and using Lovable. Okay, cool.
Yeah, and I didn't have like context in context in terms of what me and you we enjoy it, and also what it is good, because I want to see what we will suggest using the Avalanche as a reference. But probably I think he's building with HTML. Oh Jesus! But yeah, when Cloud is working here, I think we can decide on new design, a MIDI kit for Ethereum, because they don't have a MIDI kit, I guess, like public. So I think we can build that. If you go to Solana, they have like a small brand and press here. So they have
Hmm.
the logo, they have the color palette, they have the assets and all the kind of things. The next step that we can do for Ethereum is to get a reference for the new website, what we enjoy to see in terms of graphics, in terms of colors. So, do you have some suggestion,
I would say
for colors?
let's go on the websites that you propose. Not Pinterest, but like we had some you had some websites that show
Yeah,
some examples. By the way, GitLab, just one sec, because like, what is this? This is what Big Shine was sharing. GitLab, no design, playgrounds, right? Unlimited builds are incoming. We're allocating 10K rewards for playground vibe coders plus a chance to join the GitLab team. Build apps, earn rewards, get discovered. Oh, interesting. So Git layer for AI native internet. Every commit sign agent or unit. Okay. So interesting. Okay, so they want people to publish. Interesting. Yeah, why not? I would need to look into it a little bit more. Cool. So you'd rather run it. So they want you to like use it there. Okay. Cool. We'll have a look. If it's interesting, maybe we can do next time. For now, we are here. Okay, I'm screen sharing your website.
yeah.
By the way, I hope
Cloud.
I'm keeping my evening free, so I know I had a feeling that we were gonna go over it. Let me know. Do you have time
Yeah.
to go for this for like 5 hours?
Yeah, yeah. No,
You're
oh,
good.
no, I only have like one appointment like in 2 hours.
Okay,
Like,
perfect. Okay,
we
I
can do like the second part as well.
okay, perfect. I worked out this morning. I'm in pain from Legree, so I don't have to go to the gym later. So I'm like, I'm
I
good.
need to go.
Oh, you can run. Oh my god, like running in London is the best. the best. Like depending on which area you're in, like Hyde Park, Primrose Hill, even like East London, like in London Fields, Victoria Park. Oh my God, so
Yeah, I
fun.
went to Victoria yesterday.
Oh, so nice. I used to live in
Yeah.
Haggerston at some point because I moved.
Oh,
I moved like I don't know, like 6 times in like 3 years and a half that I was there.
oh,
But my last flat was in Haggerston, literally like next to London Fields and Victoria
mhm.
Park. So nice. And then Sundays you have like the market, like so,
Yes, yes.
so fun. I love running on the canal.
Yeah,
That's one
it's
thing. Is
I was really shocked with the amount of runners. I think it is bigger than Paris, the scenario, because Paris is one of the biggest like runners capital, I think, in Europe. But London, there's so much people, and the parks are
I
the
prefer
best,
running
like
in
the best.
London than Paris, to be honest.
Yeah, me too. Like in Paris, I was struggling so much with the heels of the two heels. Oh my gosh, like
Yeah, you did the
it was,
marathon. Oh my God.
yeah,
How is that? I
yeah.
have a friend that's signing up to like the Athens ones. Apparently it's insane in November.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I know this one is it is insane. I think it is one of the most, what can I say,
Challenging ones, right?
challenging one. But the scenario is like amazing. But the Paris was really good. Like, I am from like a coast, so I was not like training for hills. I don't like to do hills and downs. Like, I don't like. I just like I prefer like to run flat.
Oh, then don't
So I
do
didn't train. Yeah, I
Athens.
didn't train well, but I had the goal to doing less than 4 hours, and I did my goal. Like I did like my first half marathon, like really strong. Like I did like 1 hour around like 50, the half marathon, the first one, like the first like part of the marathon. And after that, I was like, okay, I'll just try to keep my goal until then last 4 hours. But it was so beautiful, like the places, and also in when you're in the city, like everybody I think should do something like that, even if you're just running 5K, because like to have the people like chilling at you, like the kids, it was like a really, really nice experience that
I want to
everybody,
do
you don't
it.
need to do the marathon to do that. You can do like five, you can do 10,
I want to do
but
it
you go
one day.
there. It was amazing, amazing, amazing.
Oh,
And
so cool.
because I think, yes, the words of the marathon is to train for the marathon. The day is just a day, like just free, like, just like one part of your day that you're going to be running, compared like for 3 months, 4 months running a lot. Uh, but it was really good.
Oh my God. I need
The
to do it.
experience.
I only did a half marathon once.
Yeah,
So,
I think you're gonna love it, and you're gonna do well. Like you
yeah.
have so much fun.
I feel like you get so pumped. Like I didn't train for the half when I did it. And someone in my in like my previous company, I was part of the run club. And then last minute they were like, oh, there's a spot. You want to take it? So I was like, okay. I managed to do it like a sub 2 without training. But I think it's
It
only you
was really
get, yeah, it's really good time. But I think it's just like you get so pumped from like everybody running. And then I was just like,
good.
I just went. It was
Yeah,
really
yeah,
fun.
yeah,
I just went.
yeah,
Um
yeah,
yes, awards. This was the website. Okay, so
yeah.
here,
Ours.
yeah, I'll go for it.
So ours I really enjoy, but not for branding, more just for websites in general, because they have like what can I say? They have like a they always are release new websites and people are applying. Like you can see like side of the day, and you can interact with them here, and and these websites, the awards, they have their own jury as well, like, so it's a lot of, how can I say, well selected, the websites, and they always gonna have like something different and new, and sometimes they share how they build that
Oh,
as
really?
well, like the technology. Sometimes they also like share the branding, like you can see like the highlights here.
Mm.
So
Go
I
back.
really, really,
There's one that I think was really nice, and it's go up. Yeah, the Capitolium. That
let's
is
see.
such a like a very hot style of website right
Yeah,
now. Like especially like the AI, like they're all doing this like
Yeah,
cursive Roman thing. Like
it's really
I think something like this, maybe not with the football team there. We want to put the
yeah, yeah,
that could be something for ETH.
yeah. And I think this looks like a vibe code, I guess. It's
Capitolium, Ethereum.
yeah,
Could this vibe? This kind of vibe.
yeah. This would be nice. Let me get the image I put here.
I like it. You can put Vitalik there.
It would be fun. I really enjoyed the lines as well, like how they. It's nice.
I like it. Anything, I mean, there's definitely, either you go full AI, full tech, but I really enjoy this whole counter movement or like anti-reaction to AI that is, bringing us back to
Yeah,
handwritten, to cursive. It really gives that like poetic aspect, I think, in terms of like aesthetic, especially if you're building a website for a tech product, or for example like Ethereum. I think it's like really nice to have this contrast in style, even though Ethereum
yes.
is not an AI company, but I think it could fit cool. And I mean, Capitolium, Ethereum, Latin could be something. What does
Can be something.
Ethereum mean?
I want to try this. Like one thing that would be really nice, but lovable, he can do it. But
Mm.
something like that, like it is so nice, like with the Ethereum, like the logo, something like that, like the scroll goes together. But we can do this with lovable, guys. I'm sorry,
Oh, we can do
we
that
cannot
with
do.
how we
No, we
can just.
cannot.
We can't. This is more advanced. Okay, so here's one of the
Yeah,
limitations.
yeah. This is a limitation. Like we cannot do that.
Sad.
Uh, this is sad. But this is a thing I enjoy as well when that they have like this kind of colors and kind of things. But what else? What I think would be really good was well. Let me see this one. I thought it was interesting. I think it just this is really clean. I enjoy it as well. Do you like it?
Yes, but like nothing outstanding. Quite boring.
Yeah, yeah,
This green.
yeah,
It's like another Dex website. And just what it makes me feel.
yeah.
I'm not
Let me.
like it's not. I mean, we're still talking about Ethereum, right? That we're remaking.
Yeah. So
Let's
what
go for
cloud?
the. I would go for like the Roman style. Go
Yeah,
all
I
out.
think it's nice. Can you guys see my cloud?
No, I can see. Yeah, I can see Claude. Yes.
So what she did for us was okay. We have like the header. We have the logo here. We have like the button start here, explore. We have some social proof, more social proof. I think it is nice. Here, she tried to do like some beton grid that I think is gonna be really valuable, like to not with this content, but try to keep the same one of this that I think it is good, and we can create with the kind of style the Romaine. What I hate is like why the buttons are just here, like here, here, and just I was just complaining, sorry. And yeah, I quite enjoy. Uh, she also put the data. I don't know. I think we can keep. Like this was from a Avalanche, and she put it here like get it started really fast in 2 minutes. Maybe we can also like ask in the future to combine with this mobile option. I think would be good. And the uh, footer with all the kind of links. But I didn't ask her to keep the same footer, but I will ask to add. But what do you think, Ems? Do you think that is good?
Yeah, we can. Let's just get started. I think it's pretty fine. I wouldn't necessarily like change too much. Too much.
Yeah.
Zambur is saying I like Olympus DAO landing page.
Which
Olymp.
one?
I'm not sure. Can you spell it correctly? We'll look at it.
Yeah, I will
Maybe
get the.
Olympus.
Oh, let me try. Let me try the cloud.
Olympus DAO. Yeah, it's not bad actually. I've got it here. Do you want me to screen share?
Yeah, please.
Let me just screen share for a sec. Yeah, this is one. Yeah, like I mean, it's not bad honestly. It's like it's very bright. It's clean. Olympus. It has a like marble
Oh,
3D
good.
thing. Yeah, round.
Looks like
It's simple.
iOS cloud.
Oh, dude, what's this green thing there? Ugly. Kind of breaks the climate, but like, oh my god, what is it? Klima. Oh,
Kems, do you want to to create the colors using the Capitolium?
yeah, let's do it.
Do you
Let's
want?
take these.
Yeah, do you want to keep these colors, or do you want to add some purple that match with these ones?
I think we should go for the Roman style.
Let's go.
Rebrand, full rebrand. So we're still in Claude here. I know this is a
Yeah,
lot.
I'm at.
I know this is a lovable demo, but we have to start in Claude.
Yeah. Yeah. But I will show something about Lovable that is really helpful as well. But it's better for us to use some kind of LLMs. What do you prefer? Just to use the credits more straight. So now I'm asking like to use the following reference, attach it to create one size system using the same concept of Rome. And typo, you're gonna understand as a typography, aesthetic, and one readable color palette that is with all contrast and alignment with uh, accessibility. And what else we need to ask? I think that's it. Let's see. I would just ask Cloud. I am not like speaking for Google Fonts because you can do this for as well. Like you can go to Google Fonts and try to find like
There's a
here by
lot of
style.
free fonts.
There's a lot of good ones. You can try to find too. But I'm just asking Cloud just to see what she proposed. But talking about Lovable, if you don't know nothing about Lovable, they also have like a big community that you can try. So they have a bunch of templates. They also have like the free templates, but also they have like the pay templates that you can try to integrate with them. They also have like a bunch of connectors that you can connect with Shopify. You can connect with Asana. If you'd like to create some kind of task management for you, it's super easy. You can combine. You can connect with your Gmail. You can connect with all the kind of the Googles that I use it. That is nice.
Can you explain
What
why you
else?
would connect Lovable to your Gmail? For example, like what would be like a great use case?
Well, like if I am creating like a form, like a join list, and people are filling the form, and I want to get notifications, I just use my email, and it is nice. Like I can receive in my email that people are filling the form and these kind of things. Uh, I think it is important. Uh, I think this was my experience using for email. But also I think you can use for so much stuff. Like if I am like creating like a task management
Mm,
and I'm working like with really, how can I say, institutional people, they need to receive the tasks done by email. But me, Cecilia, Gen Z, I don't want to use my email. But if I have like a task management that when I put done the task, like something like Trello that people used to put there, like, okay, I did the card for social media, I attached for Trello, and we can just generate like, okay, send by email.
okay,
So
nice. Just to
we
automate
can
that.
create this. Yeah, this is another way as
That's pretty
well.
cool. B is saying the font has free fonts too. And then we have Brandon. What's up,
Yeah,
Brandon? Ciao.
yeah.
We're redoing Ethereum's website because we think it's ugly.
Yeah,
So
but
we're
we
really,
are redoing in a different way, looking more as a ROM expat. Let me try to see if I can get the Ethereum font as SVG, but I think this gotta be too hard. Mm, I don't like so much the display. Do you like Kim's?
you can change it. It's not my favorite, but it's
I,
better than
I like this
Inter.
one.
No, we have.
I like this one. The cars. I really enjoy this ornamental these elements here. I would put like extend.
So we're asking it to really give us a brand guide,
Yeah,
basically.
just yeah. Um, let's see what he will do. And my another process, I will ask. Probably we can try to find more.
Yeah, Max is
Uh,
saying heavy serif with sans serif is really in right now. Like the very
so put
curly plus
this.
classic Inter or something.
My Pinterest website goes to the babes. Let me
Yeah, so we
draw.
could keep a variation of Inter and then have like a curly. Let's try that, the sans serif.
It's just trying to find if you can put something like these type of formats, but I think don't.
Mm.
Just a line and put like create website.
So
This
we
is
were
like,
saying last stream that like Pinterest is so overrated. Or
but
sorry,
so good.
underrated, underrated. Um,
Yeah.
it's actually a great website.
We just need to like how to find because there is so much really good things here. But what I was trying to find was like something like this type of creates. Let me see what we have. Okay, we have a lot of elements. Can I see the lenses, the punctuation, nice separation. Okay, now I will copy again what we built for interior. One thing that would be cool, maybe you can try to do you, Kim, because I think you are so much better than me creating the image, is Vitalik, like with the Ron
Yeah.
character. I think this would be so cool.
Yeah, that would be funny. Um, Should I do it? You want me to do?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do
I
it
think
on my
I'm
end.
just
Let me find a picture of
I'm
him.
just asking now like to create the prompt for Lovable, and we go to Lovable. But all the things about animations, like what type of scrolling, what type of hovering, what type of everything related animations, we were gonna be doing this in Lovable. But before, for us like to apply the animations, I always ask before with Cloud, like if it is possible, if Lovable can do, and all the things. So here, he create for me like the Lovable expert prompt. Um, and I just need to copy like first is the contest, what we did. So we're gonna be a single page called capital, but he's doing raw. The design tokens, it's important, components, and here is no, he's doing wrong. No. Okay, I will do a new chat.
Meanwhile, oh my god, this is horrible. But we will use this. Oh yeah. I mean, it's not bad if you think about it. All right, back to you.
Okay. Use the structure attached for it.
Yeah. B is like so funny, right? Oh my
I'm
god.
excited to see.
You did you see Sissy? Because I was screen sharing, but I don't know.
No,
You didn't
no. Let
see.
me see.
Ah, you
Let me
ready?
see. I am.
Yeah, you have to look on the screen. So I took this image and this is gonna
And
be
the purple. You asked about the purple or not?
no wait. Change that's a see, it always reverts to this purple. Like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Change his cloak from purple to this is purpura. I don't even know how to say that in English, but it's like the red that they used to use back in Roman times, which they got from a shell. I don't know how you say it, but it's like a specific like red. That's how it was the dye basically that they used to have back in the days. They use these shells. Ah, there you go.
Ah.
Ta-da!
Looks good.
Incredible. But
Yeah.
this is the picture that we're gonna be using. Perfect. All right. Back to you, Sissy.
Oh, another thing, James, do you know what we can do? You can try to create Vitalik as Michelangelo with the finger. It will be fun. I am just horrific.
Ah, yes.
But now Claudia is working here to creating the prompt for Lovable. So
Okay, let me get his creation of Adam. Okay, we're having fun here. If I get it from Wikipedia, it's gonna be such a bad low res. How do I do this? Tools type. Okay, let me screen share here. Size. So that's one thing. Like, if you're looking for images on Google Image, go for large. Ah, okay. So this is actually not bad.
Yeah, the quality is better, right?
So the okay. Okay. No. Where is it? This is one. No. I need to find it. Hasn't like downloaded yet. Give me a sec before I leak some stuff here. Live on the stream. I'll put you back. There you go. I'm gonna put Ceci back.
Yeah. I am just waiting Cloud to build, but just to resume, guys. I also like I share in the first live stream that we did together how we should do this. So first we need to create the copy, the extractory. That was what we built here, like the new one for Tito, like smaller. After that, we create a small design system. So we share the brand reference, colors, fonts, and we ask the cloud to build that. So, and he built this similar for us, and it is here as you can see as HTML. So now I ask it like to using the structure and the design system and the design the just the small design visuals that I ask Cloud to do more to combine into a lovable expert prompt. And she's here working. But I think that's it. And the rest, like in terms of what type of image do you want to add, like where do you want to add, it is a mix. Go to Lovable, try there, try to improve in Cloud. So let's see what we have. Okay, but she's hallucinating, guys.
This
She's
is.
using the yeah, I think she's using the content
Oh
from
my
the
god.
image.
So it's just giving like what is this like code?
Let me see. Yeah, no, my dear. Follow the. Let me get this. Uh, oh,
What's
what is
happening?
the rest?
Claude.
Let me let me
Maybe.
go again.
Oh my god. Maybe we should have used Lovable.
Yeah, but I would like to have the at least the no, I have here. No, please. And here. Okay. Copy to I put it down. I think the issue is copying as an image. No. This is the issue. Okay. Turn the uh, let me see. Because the problem was that I was sharing the Ethereum content only as an image, so I couldn't help. Sorry, guys, it was my fault.
Maybe you're running. Max is asking. Maybe running out of credits.
Good question.
You're using a free. Are you using a freemium version or
No, no,
no?
no.
Right?
And also like
Oh yeah, you have
I
the
have like
pro.
the.
Yeah.
Uh, I think it was just like a bad prompt that I gave because I gave just the image, so she couldn't read like the structure. So she's just ignoring me.
You call Claude she?
Yeah, yeah. For me, she's a woman.
She's a Claudette. Claudina.
Yeah, yeah.
Claudia.
Yeah, Claudia. Yes, and ChatGPT I call chatusho. That is
Chatouche.
like a is bossy in Portuguese, like chato. They call chatusho.
That's so cute. Zambor is asking if you've tried Stitch from Google.
I try it. But I thought it was like too. What can I say? It's low. And also, I did enjoy so much the option that he was creating, like as the templates. It was. I remember that I was testing for content in my ex that we need to replace, and it was like so much colorful, so much drop down, so much like 2000 like 15, like the websites from Stick, like it was like really bright. And but I didn't use anymore, to be honest. Like my real use case with LLMs for create websites or to improve it is to do pre-analysis from websites from clients and all these kind of things. So in the case of the Ethereum, like we did this small analysis and suggest like a structure that it is quite often enough if you're like trying just to study about the UX journally and this kind of thing as a low fidelity. It's a good case. Uh, but like to do like the UI and all the things, I don't do like with Lovable. I do more like with here with my friend Figma. Like we do like from the scratch everything and put. But also when we one thing that is really nice as well, it is that we can copy this from Cloud to Figma. So if I really enjoy like this structure here, I can just publish this as an artifact and copy
Mm.
the elements direct from Figma. It's really good.
So could we, for example, make, let's say we get that template and we just make exactly the same, like you just copy it into the Ethereum
The
side.
Figma,
Yeah.
yeah, and I can improve in Figma. I can like align. I can repair all the alignments, spacements, and send to Claude for her to follow and to improve. And she do like she can do like read the Figma and improvements. And after I go to Lovable. So okay, I think now we have what we need.
So you're saving this as HTML.
I think Lovable can read. Let me see. Okay, great. Probably the Lovable. Usually they already create automatic like the design system. Let's see. So let me publish this as a. So if I publish here, just in case, like I want to improve, but this is not a website, just a prompt, right? But if I want to have this on Figma, this extension here, HTML to design, I can just like capture as an artifact to cloud. And when I copy, I
That's a
go
Figma
to
extension,
Figma.
right?
Yep. Yeah. So this is really nice. But in that case, we didn't build as to build a website like the structure here in the cloud, but let me show you guys. So send to Figma.
Ah, nice. So you can like send it directly.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. Yep. We do a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Like if I'm going here, I will do this, and we go like to the plugins, and we go maybe here, I guess.
Do you need to have a pro plan for this for Figma? Like
This,
how?
well,
Mhm,
we have here in lit. So this is a good question. I don't know if you need to have,
probably.
but I know that we yes, but it's if you work with this, like so worth it, like so worth it. Like when we build like the low fidelities, the dashboards, the user journey, is really really good. But let's back to Lovable. Okay, he's adding and creating the things.
So just
So
to
here,
recap, we got the HTML text from Claude, and now we're putting it into Lovable to
yes,
get to
and
get.
Lovable. Yeah, so he built here.
Mhm.
So what we how it works like Lovable. So you can see like the size, like if you want to see like mobile, desktop, and tablet, you go here. What else? Here we only have this the home page, but if you have more websites, you can see here like the home, about us, all the things. Um, one thing as well is that you can do like the visual edits if you want, like select something to add. Like I select this button, so I can. Here it's not good for you to do like this picky because it will like maybe broke the code. So if like in that case I'm not so happy with the color of the button, I think can be like more highlighted. I will ask to change all the colors of the buttons. So but in terms of like about the animations like in the image that we want to put here and hovers, so what I suggest is, okay, are you, what do you think, Kim, that we can animate here like and get better as well?
I was thinking we could take some of the elements from the Avalanche website and have like a theorem go on the back at the bottom, but in cursive. What is that? What is that? Is that like the logo? Yeah. At the
Yeah, he tried
bottom.
to rebuild the logo,
Yeah.
yes, but well, we can put the logo here from Ethereum as SVG and probably, can you guys see this animation?
It's not, and it's not like moving, but I can see
It's
the
a little bit
outline.
flowing, I guess, like flowing.
Ah, yes. Yes, yes, I see it. Like,
Yeah,
okay.
let me publish this. But one thing that we can ask is like to this thing here, the data, social data, to be rotate, like automatic, the rotation, like as a vitrine. Um, but I will just say one thing that for us to improve to not look so much as AI. That is, I will get like what I do. I get screenshots. I will drop here. This, like, what usually I definitely, but I'm not gonna be doing this because it's vibe code. It's not gonna be like bright. I will like get this design and go to Figma and align everything in Figma like really quickly. But I will try just to do like here as a prompts. So let me go to put this.
I don't like these colors
And
so much.
you don't
They're,
like the which one?
no, it's like too dark. It's like this, like
Yeah, yeah,
ugly. It's meant to be gold, I think, but it's a bit like.
yes. So do you have the photo from Vitalik here that I can put? But this is a really good one. Observation that I will ask you to keep light. One thing that is really important, guys, it is to see if the titles they are with the same typography and also with the same kind of uh, wave. So you can see here in the title that is really strong, like bold, and here is more thin. So this is something that we would like to get better. And also, I will ask him to use the typography, the another one that I will show that is in our design system, like that one here that is better. Mm, this one. So we have this color palette. So one thing that's going to be important for us, James, is just to say that okay, this color it is the base BG, so adapt this to be the base uh, BG. One thing that I asked it is in Portuguese, but this is really helpful, really helpful. It is the accessibility. So this Wakash 2.1, it is all the rules that as designers and building products we need to follow to guarantee that the contract it is good, it is readable, all this kind of thing. So this was that I asked like you can see here the levels. So this is like a really good contracts. This is an intermediate one. This is fine. So this is really important. To it's so easy to ask. Um, this is the typography scale. Here they are using Jost. I didn't know about this one, but looks good.
Never heard about it.
Uh, looks good. The specimens, the navigation, that is dark. I ask to be light, and the buttons. What type of button do you think? Do you want to highlight the gold, the black?
Mm, let's go to the initial website, like the first one that we had, the Roman one that we found that we liked. The
Let's go.
template. How was it? See, Capitulum.
Like this. This is would be nice to put like Ethereum.
Yeah, I think having I actually made I generated this image, but it's inappropriate. Cuz
We can put some on Splash as well. I may put
cuz
the Splash.
there's like obviously the Michelangelo characters are nude. I don't know if we can do that.
We can put something from on Splash.
Real Scripted needs a website for his OnlyFans. I mean, we're building a website now. We're remaking the Ethereum one. So we could do. Let me do something. Fontana di Trevi.
Okay. That's good one.
Di Trevi. Let's do that. Or we could do something. I have an idea actually. It's not like this hasn't been done before, but new chat in Gemini.
I try to find the logo as SVG Frontier. Maybe this. Is what is our sense system that I need to have the font family?
Rocky's here. Hello. We are vibe coding a website. We're redoing the Ethereum website because we don't like it. We looked at some ugly crypto websites and we decided that the Ethereum one is just not enjoyable. Not enjoyable. I have something that could be cute as well. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. Do you see
Let
my?
me see.
It's like in the back. Do we like
this? This is nice. I enjoy it. I think this.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
work.
Let me save it. I'll send it to you. I will send it to you. We can do that.
let me this the color.
It's not as
I don't
like
know.
usually they put like the thing in between, but like we're not doing that. Oh, we'll leave it there. I think it's cool, and then we can put the Ethereum in the back. Let me. I'll send it to you. Rocky, how
Okay.
is Pilates? Oh, so I actually did Legree. So obviously Pilates got super popular, so they came up with like a new machine. Obviously the reformers was great, but then obviously like the thing is like when you develop and you create a machine like that, there's usually like patents, etc. involved. So the thing is like obviously there's new brands that want to come in and do their own and sell their own machines, and so Legree was formed, and that's what they did. So intense. I'm in pain. Like my arms are like super sore. It's actually really intense. It's a great workout, and there's men doing it as well. It's actually really intense. It's so hard. Like I couldn't finish the exercises. I just couldn't.
James, I did my first Pilates reform class last
Oh, and
Friday.
impossible to walk.
And no, I couldn't walk, but luckily I was alone in the room, and the professor, she was like putting everything is strong for me. She was like, "You are strong," and I was like, "No, I'm
It's
not
so
strong."
so hard.
But was but feels so good, like so good, so good.
Right? But
It's really
like
good.
it's
Yeah,
just so crazy. It's like you start realizing you
it's
have
really hard.
so many muscles that we just don't know we have in our
Yeah,
body. It's insane. Hot yoga is
it's
great.
insane.
I love hot yoga. I love hot yoga. I used to
I love
do
hot yoga too.
yeah, I used to do a lot of like Bikram before he got canceled. Just like every yogi guru. Somehow like all these gurus and like people in power, they just you know what I mean? Like they just end up having some like scandals around. Like they're all power trippers. Just
Yeah.
yeah. So now it's called hot yoga, but I used to do
Did you watch the? I think it was a series about the Osho scandal.
yes, I've seen most of them.
It's, it it was crazy. Oh my god.
Insane. It's kind of wild. Yeah, yeah. It is kind of wild. There's also a documentary on Bikram. There's also a documentary on Bikram, and it is interesting. I find it always interesting how certain people get to these positions of power and are able to influence so many people to the point where they're literally leaving everything behind and throwing their money at them and ending up living in a commune or whatever. Like I actually have a friend that is in a cult, and like it's just a crazy thing to hear about. Yeah, like I don't know. I don't know. You really need to be a certain type of person. And then also somehow like all these cult leaders, they end up having these massive scandals, either if it's like human trafficking, arms dealing, money laundering, like all this stuff. Like there's no like sex problem like offend they're all sex offenders. It's it's just like insane. So I don't know. I feel like power probably you always wonder, right? Is kind of a chicken and the egg kind of probably. Do people do they go a bit off the rails because they get so much power, or are they also a bit special, and that drives them to get power hungry? I mean, there's definitely certain levels of psychopathy. Um, rules. You cannot tell people you're in a cult. Well, obviously, like the cult members will not say that they're in a cult, but like from the outside, it's kind of obvious. Do you know there's a lot of cults in the US? I think more than like in Europe, or at least it's just like it's a
Yeah.
great. I think like if you establish a religious organization in the US, you don't need to pay taxes. So there's a lot of that.
This is really common in Brazil. It's the same.
I really
Can Yeah, that's sad. Like, but in Brazil, like we don't have like cults. We have the church.
mm,
So,
different
but there's a
churches.
lot of yeah. But there are some church they do that. Like it's sad.
Yeah, I mean, I think it happens everywhere. US
Yeah.
has some crazy pastors as well. Like people, it's literally like they're flying around. It's crazy. It's like rock stars, but they're preaching the Bible, or at least their own version of the Bible. It's very interesting to see.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. Yeah.
Humanity is so random.
The thing is, like, we're always looking. The thing is, like, we're always we have been yeah, Freemason, Jehovah Witness, shrines. To be honest, the Jehovah Witness are so like annoying. I remember back at home, like when I was little, like they used to come knock and like ring at the door every Sunday morning at like 8 in the morning, and it's like, hi, can I read you about it? Like, no, it is. I just want to sleep. Let me be. Like, oh my god, these people! I swear to God, dedicated to preaching, and obviously they do what they want, but like so annoying to be woken up on a Sunday morning at 8 a.m. Like, I just, my god. Rocky saying he did a 7-day water fast last month, just water, black coffee, and electrolytes. It has changed my mind and body. What do you mean? You drank coffee on an empty stomach? How was that? You must have been wired. Why black coffee? I've never heard anyone do a fast on coffee. Except for like
I know some
enemas.
people in Brazil, they do like fasting, just only for coffee. They do a lot.
On coffee as well. Interesting.
So, fasting, drinking coffee, yes, yeah.
Hmm.
Because keeps like the stomach like working.
Really?
You know, yeah,
Interesting.
we can go to the restroom. People do a lot, like in Brazil.
Cool. Rocky, where are you from? By the way. And congrats on the 7-day fast. Like, it's tough. I've done it once, like ever. And it's the first days are really tough. And then I feel like you get to a point where you're just like cruising. You're like so you're just like euphoric. I feel like I started feeling like I was just euphoric. I felt so great. I had just no negative thoughts in my mind after a few days. Everything was just fine. I don't know how else to describe it. I just felt like just high. Just like,
How
yeah,
many how
not a
many
worry.
days? Camps.
Like 7 days. And then
Wow.
after that, I did a liver gallbladder liver cleanse. Um, so I basically interrupted the fast with like that cleanse, which was disgusting. You're literally drinking water with Epsom salts, olive oil, and grapefruit juice the night before. The next morning, the same thing, and then you just like sit the whole day on the toilet, and your body just releases like gallbladder stones that have been stored in your gallbladder, and you just like all this stuff just gets released basically, and you actually see like the stones pretty much. um yeah, it was pretty intense, and then you're just exhausted for like a day or two. It's really tiring for some reason. Yeah, it's really really intense. But I guess it's not that bad. Like, it's pretty good to do. I've never had gallbladder stones, but I know it's really painful, especially if you don't drink enough water and you have like a very sedentary lifestyle. It's important to do these things, but I don't know. I've tried so many things. I cannot tell you, to be honest, I cannot tell you that I felt better afterwards. It was more like, wow, crazy accomplishment. I did 7 days, really proud, really pushed myself and my, it's more like
Yeah.
you really see how your mind is stronger than your body. But I cannot tell you that I had any health benefits from that, to be honest, except for the experience itself. But then again, I don't really have any issues like health issues or anything. So yeah, just being real. The thing is,
And
you don't really lose that much weight when you're fasting because you're losing water. And the thing is, you're gonna be putting that back on once you start eating again. So I wouldn't like, 1 week of fasting is not gonna make you lose weight like forever. You need to maybe do some intermittent fasting over a longer period of time, and then be in a calorie deficit, work out, adjust your diet. Yeah, like fasting is not going to make you lose weight on the long term, except for you if you do intermittent fasting. That's just yeah, Then it depends how obviously big you are, but that's just been my experience. Maybe like fasting one time a week works. I don't know. But again, it's like consistency, right? There's no
Yeah.
unless you do a lipo, like I don't know if that's gonna really fix your problem. Or go run. Run every day.
Again, every day.
Yeah, just go
Yes.
run every day. Easy. Oh, this is
Okay.
getting better. I don't like still I don't like that like gold. I think it could be a bit
Oh,
softer, but
this one, right?
the gold, yeah, a bit more like lighter. But then the image in the back, there's not enough contrast. Maybe it would I think it would like blend, for example,
But
with
I
you.
think we can,
But it's
yeah.
getting
Because
interesting.
maybe I think we need to edit this image
See there's more
because
contrast. That's nicer.
because if you do like something like that, and we just keep like the image like larger.
Yeah.
And, oh, one thing that would be good, I guess. Let me see. If you create like something, then
Rocky, why did you fast? Like, what was your motivation? Because it does take, it's a commitment. It's not like it's easy. And especially if you got like shit to do, fasting for a week can be quite, it's, you do need to take some time off, I would say. It's also an interesting practice. I think like mentally, you do want to take that time to rest and really go within and really observe your thoughts and everything that comes out. I think that's the most interesting part about fasting, besides the whole autophagy, going into keto, whatever. Yeah, it's great. Your body's just eating dead cells and regenerating itself. You're running on fat. It's great. But I would say there's also like the mental part, which is very interesting, where you just, you start realizing how we're so addicted to food, and like we always think about food and we
yeah,
talk about food when ultimately we don't necessarily need, like, there's obviously some people that when you tell them you're fasting, they're going to be like, oh, I'm going to die if I don't eat. Not really. Like, you can actually survive for over a week without fasting. And so it's an interesting thing, right? To see, okay, like, where have we been so conditioned? Like, why are we so brainwashed to like overeat? Because that's what we're doing, right? At the end of the day. And at the end, like, it is part of society. Eating is great. Like, it's a pleasure of life. I don't think, we should restrict that too much, but just having that experience of seeing like, oh, there's a different perspective on something that maybe we take for granted and we just do because we're told we need to eat 3 times a day, but like you can literally go, like, your body's so resistant and so powerful. You can just go for a week without eating, even more actually. Like, I wouldn't like do a, if you're planning on fasting for longer than a week, I would just maybe double check with like, a physician and so on. But you can definitely, there's a lot of like success stories with fasting where people have reversed certain conditions. Even like,
diabetics,
of course,
like
and
yeah,
lower stages of cancer and so on. Obviously, if you're like stage 3 or more advanced, it gets a little bit harder. But there's a lot of like really crazy health benefits that you can just do just by yourself without having to take anything. You know what I mean? I'm starting to look nicer.
yeah. We are in Figma,
Yes.
so
So,
this is easier as well. But I will try just to give more like clear structures for Cloudy
we're so
because
far away,
she,
by the way, from the initial websites. We're just redefining this
yeah,
whole thing.
yeah. But I think we will, like, it was one idea like oops, to have like, I don't know, like something like that. Oh no, maybe you can put like that. I don't know if it's nice. This is what we do like as a designer. Like we try like that. So we can try as well like this. So I was, oops,
The
I
quick
think there's
brown
another.
fox. It's such a classic, like, standard.
So another idea that we can have for the tier is like these, and we can put like belongs italic, like that. And we can put like the social proof around here, and can be like just uh
There's a
struggling
bit
as
of a
well.
typo. Belongs.
Or
Belange. There is
I see. Yeah. Sorry. But the idea was like that.
So for the people that are tuning in now, by the way, just a little recap. So we start off by looking at ugly websites that we don't like. We obviously picked Ethereum's because we're like, yeah, it's
I
just
see.
not very pretty. And we're just remaking it. So we are going from this purple to
This
a
one.
more classical Roman style.
Let me fix this. I don't know if you need to have this.
Max is just tuning back in. We've made some progress.
Yeah, I do this as well, like get Figma,
He
and we
loves
can
the
send just more.
Michelangelo take. Yes.
And I think now, okay. Like the another option is try to find like exactly a template that you like to copy, replace, and ask Lovable to do that. But yeah, or you can just create by your own on Figma here. That I think like for me that I know like it is easy, just get here and put all the data and these kind of things.
Max is saying, or
So
just the word belongs. That's kind of cool. He's saying, put a nice serif font for the title, like even more curly. Or just the word
that one.
belongs. Yeah, like he's saying, put a nice serif font for the title, like even more curly. Or just the word belongs.
Let me see. Let's try it.
Let's
So
accentuate
I
it.
really enjoy it like that.
Just the word belongs. Guys, I'm so sore from this workout today. Oh my god. Oh, pain. Destroyed me.
Like that.
Max, what do you think?
One thing and then want this, and maybe I can put some line here.
Rocky saying, how long
And
are those classes? Like 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Super intense.
So we can put like also another line here to be the navigation. I think it will look cool. And how I would try to ask Lovable to do something like that. Let's see. I'll copy as PNG.
So we're copying the PMG from Figma, and then we're gonna put it
Yes,
into
and
Lovable. Nice.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what they do.
Adjust.
Dun, 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 dun.
Let's see.
Let's see.
But another thing was, well, if I was like working on this, was like here we put the line that I think is also cool, but we also can create can like all the in another area of the website this kind of background. I think it was really beautiful.
We have Ross in the chat. So peak design, keep going. Thank you. Thank you. We are reimagining the Ethereum website because we hate it. We selected it as like peak ugly, so we're doing it again. And now we're at the point where we we found the style that we wanted, some fonts, etc., and we remade it in. We used Figma, and then we're putting it in Lovable right now.
Yeah. And this is like, I want to say, the parts that you're gonna be just fixing. And okay, wow. Okay, you didn't follow the color that I asked it, but this looks, the
Yeah,
theorem
this
is
not
not.
very not super aligned, but the theorem it should be where's the Twitch link? Let me put it in the thing. It's Camski TV if you want to look it up. Go on
He
Cam.
already know, like, match PNG hero spacing. Yes.
I know for my
Yes,
no,
sir.
just for my my Twitch. It's Camski TV. It's just the same. Let me try to put it. Let me see. I'm gonna put it in the wait, where is it? Let me just put it here in the Twitter thing so that you guys can go. It's definitely a better experience if you want to do it on if you want to go see on Twitch. Okay, perfect. Great.
One thing one thing cool about Lovable that I didn't ask, but he did in a good way, that he changed the color of the black, and also he changed like the colors of these blocks here for something more like aligned with what we share here to adjust. And also, every time that you are doing something with Lovable, he already have like some suggestion to do. So one thing that he also, like, he knew it that he was doing wrong was the PNG from the name Ethereum. So he say like match the Ethereum PNG spaceman.
I see.
But
That's pretty cool. Also, shout out to Rosarko for following me. I appreciate you. Thank you. We're gonna be doing more than these. It's our second. It's actually our second stream, and just to give you a bit of context. So, Ceci runs Lit Collective, which is a web design agency, and she did our beautiful Babesnet website. And we were talking about, what are the limitations when it comes to LLMs or Lovable, when it comes to like making your website, because obviously there is a big, every time there's a new release or a new update, like there's, you can see obviously all these tweets like getting fired up saying, oh, Claude took these jobs, web designers are done. And so I wanted to actually find out, are they really done? The answer is no. But obviously there's still like really cool stuff that you can make with AI, but it has its own limitation. But when it comes to, for example, a landing page that's not too complex, so it doesn't have like the integration of like a web shop, for example, we can easily do this. And here we are now. This is our second stream. In our first, Sissy gave like a little presentation on things to do, because obviously if you don't think when you start coding or when you start vibe coding, your output is gonna be slop. There's no way around it. You're gonna create slop. And exactly like you can see in the website miles away, it's gonna have that ugly purple. It's just, the centering is not like, we looked at things, and Ceci, you gave us like some like insight on like how to spot it, and the centering, the letters had the same font, like it's just, exactly, that purple gradient is just ugly. It's just so ugly. But so we're doing it all over, and we are actually trying to vibe code something with a web designer so that we make sure that we don't produce slop. So this is it.
Yes.
And we basically, thank you. We basically looked at like some really ugly crypto websites. We looked at a few. We saw some cool ones. We saw some less cool ones, and then we decided that the Ethereum website needed some saving, so we're gonna reimagine it, pretty much.
So now it's not working. The animation that I asked it. I will share like some kind of ideas of animation that you can
Mm,
add. Oh, it's working. Can you see?
let's
It's
see.
so softy.
Oh,
It's
it
so
is. It's
really.
like floating in the air, like
Yes. So, but I don't like the name here. Do you like Cams?
no, it should be at the bottom, right? And a bit more defined.
Yeah,
It's too
yeah.
transparent.
I will ask to put here maybe like or, that because I don't know why.
Hmm? Like a bit more down. That's one thing. Like the centering is always oh, Sissy, you disappeared. Where did she go? Sissy, what's happening? She dropped. Rosak is saying one thing that I do. Oh shit. Okay, well, let me. Okay, I'm here by myself then. Um, Rosarko is saying one thing that I do, I grab Mobin design and then ask Claude about structure first, like wireframe, no color, no animation. She got censored for doing a great design. Yeah, like what's happening? Wait, let me message her. Did your internet go down? Ah, she's coming back. She's coming back. Okay. It turned off for no reason. All good. Yeah, it's yeah, she was exactly. It was too hot. Like Claude just couldn't handle it and it decided to crash. She was in London. Like London has like notoriously bad internet. Ah, there she is. Let me get her back on
It's
stream.
God.
Okay, one sec. Let me just bring you in. 1 second. Da-da-da. We're doing this live. Yes, for the summer. For the summer. Where are you based, Rosarko? Are you a designer, by the way? Do you guys know each other? There you go. Sissy, you're back on.
Hello, guys. Sorry.
Ah, you
So
guys.
sorry.
So Rosarko is saying you guys chatted a bit. You're from Brazil as well. Nice. Lovely. I have never been
So
to Brazil.
now
Yeah, you
you're
need
gonna love
to
me.
share screen again so I can like enable you.
I'm sorry. Yeah, sure.
All good, all good.
Can you guys see?
Yeah, I'm just gonna bring it up. Let's see. It's black. Give me 1 second. Where's the screen share? Here we go.
So what we have, I asked it to change the color, but
Okay, it should come up.
the side.
Here we go. We're back on. Beautiful.
Hello.
Yes, we're back. Perfect.
So we have here the content align. I would like to ask to change this because it is wrong. The PNG,
Mm-hmm.
the name here. I ask to put here.
And
I
less
don't know. I think.
transparent. I don't know. It's
What do you? I don't enjoy so
no, I don't
much.
like it so much. Also, it's like very. It's just transparent, skinty shit. Not a fan. I
With
really
the
like the
animation.
animation where it's like floating. Can you show that
Yeah, I
again?
really enjoy it. Is this one?
Yeah, it's very subtle. It's nice. It's not
We
too
can. We can.
intense. It's very ethereal.
Yeah. And another thing that
This
I would
color
like
is
to
disgusting.
like. Yeah.
This color is really.
This one.
It's like a
Yeah.
duck poop color. Not very nice. We can make it more like
Let's.
sandy.
Let me open the our design system. But I ask. I really enjoyed this one, like the orphan.
Mm.
But I ask as well to the section.
Rosarko, are you a designer as well? You seem to know your way around things. And if so, give us feel free to give some recommendations for what we're doing here.
I was to have like one type of animation that is really common is the hover. So I will ask to create this kind of hover. But I was thinking like maybe you can and add some over effects using the design system. Maybe add some other effect that the content expand and some animation.
Rosaka saying, you're a full stack founder. Okay, sick. So you do the designs and code the whole thing. Amazing. That's really cool. What would you do different? I mean, I hate this yellow here. This is gold. What would you
Yeah, I added to follow the design system. So let's see what he suggests.
mhm.
Because I added like to when we are hovering to expand for the whole section that I
Mm.
think would be really, really good. Uh, the expand for the whole section and appears CTAs. What else? Here as well. I think we can put like in the live data animations to have like number tracking
Mm.
at live data
How many
section.
tokens have you used so far? Does Lovable show
It's a
this?
good question. Let's see.
Because I hope they do to keep track. Like,
But usually, like for to create one website, you're gonna like use. You can use if you're like smart, like 30, 25.
mm.
Keep.
Yeah, $100 charged. How we were playing around with some like AI animations, and they're not cheap. They're really not cheap. Like,
Well, we only used 10 cams. It was
ooh,
okay.
how much is that in dollars? Do you know?
Let me see. Five, like 10 divided for £2, maybe like £20. 10, but we only used 10, so it
So
was like
like
£2.
£2. It's like three,
Yeah.
$4. Not bad. Pretty cool.
No, but I think because we gave a lot of context. So he's processing.
So yeah, you got to do the math as well. Like, how much is this gonna cost you versus hiring a web designer and web developer,
Yes. But to
right?
be honest, Kims, I really enjoy it. I will continue doing that, like at house. I will do with Figma. I maybe this can be our another live if you want as well. Like I can do the head design in Figma
Hmm.
of Ethereum with the ROM aspect, and we try to put Figma in Lovable together
Yeah, I'm down.
because
We can try this.
because I want to finish this. Like now it's
We're into it.
uh
It's gonna look good once it's
yeah.
we're invested.
No, but
Well,
but I think also this is a good concept. The colors,
I
like
like it,
everything.
except that like that gold, like we can adjust it, but overall, like I think
Yeah.
it's nice. Yeah, it's not
And also
bad.
like the buttons, we can put like some. Oh no, don't say that.
Oh,
That's right. But we
yeah,
can add some.
Ross is saying you guys should use Claude Code only for the next experiments.
Well, we can do as well,
Yeah.
but we're not gonna have any kind of animations like the floating,
Mm,
these kind of
I
things
really like
with cloud.
the little floating animation
Yeah,
is nice. Very cool.
we can do like, do you know this? Well, but this is not what I mean. But this is nice as well
Mm, yeah, yeah, it's not bad.
because
Like,
I asked it for this one, and the animation for the numbers are
it's not
not.
scrambling. Yeah, the scramble. The network.
And one, yeah, let me see. But one thing that I want to try is to, can you see these details? I can't see here.
Yeah. It lights
I
up.
want to,
That's not bad.
yes, but yeah, but the corner, I want to do the buttons with that. I think would be nice as well. Okay, let's see. He removed the right, but he didn't create something good here. What else? He didn't do the animations, but one thing that I want to do, but because I want to, I need to go soon.
We can do a
But
part. Yeah, I knew this was gonna last. Like, was gonna be a. But
yeah,
we
yeah.
can like stream again and finish this.
But like, what I think we can do, like next Tuesday, we can review the new design from Figma and try to apply for Lovable. I think would be really fun
I'm down. I'm really down.
because I want to improve. I want to continue. Like this is a question
We
of
can even stream on Thursday if you
uh,
want, like Thursday evening or whatever. Like I'm
yeah,
down to do
because
this
I
whenever you're
need at
free.
least like 2 days to work on this, you
Okay.
know. But yes, I think that's not all, guys. But this is the way that I used to do, and I recommend
That's
like
really
to
cool.
try to create a design system, try to also like have help, like in this case, like games create the image. It was really nice. The concept, it is really nice. Of course, we need to improve like the things of the logo. To here as well, like we need to have more kind of images. So my idea was to create more these kind of things related from Rome, but we added here as image was what I think would be looking really good. Also in the Ethereum network to add some kind of, I love this animation, this one. We can try to put something like that, but you know, this
Mm,
I think it's so cool.
we could do that with
Of-
like a Roman style. Try to go back to
yes,
the one that we made. I'm just gonna take a screenshot so that we have like yeah, there you go. No, with the color with the painting in the back. I think it's like really cool. Go down.
maybe Figma I think would be better because the alignment
And
there
yeah, that's true. It
is good. It's good.
it looks way better. All these updates. Oh my god. Yeah, this looks way better. There you go. Little screenshot for the memories. And our Joseph Tech is saying hi. Can be create more templates. Can be create more template HTML. You wanna? What do you mean? So what? Maybe Ceci, you can answer this.
I can I think if you would like to have these as a template, I can share with you. But also here in Lovable, you can get a lot of templates like from the community. The community is really, really huge from Rapid. Like you can also use one of these too.
That's kind of what we did. We looked at some ideas, cool website that we like. We went for a certain vibe, and then we imitated it and
Yeah.
adapted it. And we're basically remaking a website that we thought was ugly, which is the Ethereum's website. And we're reimagining it live and vibe coding it. So this is
Yeah.
basically what it is. And we started with like Claude code, then created the HTML file. We put it in Lovable, and this is where we're at pretty much now. And then for the next time, so we're gonna stream again because this is not over. We've been live for almost like I think 2 hours,
Two
over
more
two.
than 2 hours.
Yeah, we've been live more than 2 hours. Time flies crazy. We've been live for more than 2 hours. And so we're gonna be. When should we do it again? Like next week, next Tuesday, we can.
Yeah, next Tuesday. Yes, I will back. It is gonna. I have so much ideas.
Awesome. So next Tuesday, everybody, we are going to do part 2. Well, part 3 because this is part 3. And if you want to look back and like see what we did, just I'm gonna be uploading the video on my YouTube, so make sure to follow me there. And we will also be clipping this in terms of getting like some bits and pieces where we share some advice, especially Ceci. And so you can like follow for more and get really like the hottest bits and so on. But if you want to look at the whole journey, you can also just like rewatch this on my YouTube. I'm going to be uploading it, and it's going to also be live on Twitch, and we're going to go live next week. I'm also going to be streaming on Thursday. Maybe I'll do a solo stream. 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. It's 9:30 a.m. ET. I try to stick to those times. Honestly, to be honest, like I was streaming on Mondays. I don't think it's a good time to stream. I will go live on Tuesdays from now on because like Mondays everyone's like so busy. I'm also overloaded with stuff. It's just like too hectic. Tuesday is like amazing. So we're gonna go live again
That's
on
perfect.
Thursday, and then next Tuesday with Ceci, we keep doing this, and we're gonna be designing into Figma, and then bringing that into the LLMs. So
Awesome.
yeah,
And if you have got, yes, if you guys have some question ideas, just let me know. I'm super flexible and open in my DM to help and to review as well.
yeah, have a look at what we did, and then if you have some like directions or any ideas or commentary, like feel free to you know just send it through and we will incorporate it. We'll incorporate it. Oh, thank you everybody. Thank you. Yeah, Thursday is a great day. So Thursday I'll probably be solo streaming. And I live in Dubai. Yes. I live in Dubai. Sissy is in London right now. Um and yeah, we're going to go live together next Tuesday, but this Thursday
Yeah.
at what is it, like 3:30 p.m. CET. I'll be live 9:30 a.m. ET. Oh my god, I'm always trying to do the conversions with the time. It's like need to do the math. But yeah, and the Bintag, thank you for that's super sweet. Love you, everybody that joined, and shout out to everybody that like came and hung out, asked questions. Like this was like super fun.
It was really
This was really fun, and I'm really excited to see what we're gonna make. So tune in for the next episode. And if you want to rewatch certain parts, just go to my YouTube, make sure to sub, and I'll be uploading some clips as well, so that you have like also short parts, so you don't have like to rewatch the whole thing. But if you want, just go, just check it out. And R Joseph, thanks for information because I dev back in PFP. Good day. Thank you, you too. We'll see you guys soon. Bye, everyone. Sissy, thank you so much. That was like super
Thank
fun.
you.
That was really fun. I can't wait for our next
Thank
stream.
you.
And
Me too.
I will see you next Tuesday. Enjoy London. Bye,
Yeah.
babe.